Hi, my name is Jakub, and in this video I wanted to show you what I created with help of Claude Code. So for someone who doesn't know, Claude Code is basically something like this. This is basically, you can compare it to ChatGPT or Claude, pretty much the same AI, very similar AI models. And that Claude can help you to create something basically with the help of code. You can see all of the files and all of the folders. And Claude can work on the code and basically create something interesting, some automations, whatever basically you need for your business. So you can see that I have a long conversation right here with Claude Code, and it was able to build me a special dashboard. So basically I work on Upwork and I'm looking for new clients. Currently I'm working for one client consistently, but I'm looking for other clients to sell my productized services for example, Outbound Engine. And basically the process of finding the work would be that every day I have to go to Upwork. I have to look at, for example, my feed, which is all of the search terms for the jobs I'm looking for. Then I'm reading, I have to click here and there. And it basically takes a lot of time. Obviously, there were some ways how to automate this whole process, so AI can do pretty much everything. It was working with RSS feed, which is like special website that with the help of API we can connect and easily see all of these jobs. We don't have to do it ourselves. Basically AI could do the whole thing, but Upwork doesn't like that, and a lot of these type of platforms don't like AI bots that can do some work instead of the human doing it. And because of it, I had to create something like semi-automated way of finding good job posts and basically applying to them very quickly. So for example, in a normal way, I would have to go to this job post, read it, figure out if this is interesting for me, apply now, then send a Loom video or any proposal that I have. So all of this takes a lot of time. This whole thing can be completely automated, and that's how, with the help of Claude, I was able to create this dashboard, like a pipeline dashboard, where I can see the most interesting jobs right here. I can click on them to see them clearly on Upwork, but it all starts with new job posts. So basically once a day, what I do right now is I go to Upwork, I go to my feed, and I load more jobs, and I basically try to find all of the jobs that were added today. And once I found enough of them, let's say this many, I'll do Control A, I'll copy everything, and I will go back to Claude, and I'll just simply paste all of these job posts. Now Claude will look at this job post and try to figure out, because of the prompts I gave, like I said in the prompts what type of jobs I'm looking for, what is the most important to me, and so on. So I just paste the whole job posts on feed from Upwork, and it gave me basically the best possible jobs that I could apply. So what I can do right now, like it says, for example, to apply for this cold email outreach specialist, then AI setup for SEO, then something maybe. Okay, so it found all of these interesting ones. Now I have to go myself and, for example, copy this title, go here, and I can just copy the whole thing from this page. Okay, paste it to Claude, and I will say add it to my pipeline. And what it's going to do, it's going to access that dashboard, and it's going to add that job right here. Obviously, it requires something like a little bit of databases here and there, but this Claude can figure that out in a easy way as well. So once it added the jobs, I can now go forward and apply to them. I have to do it actually manually, but I can say also to the Claude that I'm going to copy this whole thing from the page, and I'm going to say to Claude, I want to apply for this one. Okay. So I instructed it that, okay, I want to record the Loom video. I want to record personalized video because that's what sells the most. That's what have the most opens when it comes to sending the jobs. So it gave me, based on this job post, based on this proposal we saw on Upwork, it gave me 5 Loom bullet points. What should I focus on the most? So I don't even have to read what is this about. Obviously, I should read it to have the most amount of context, but now I don't have to focus on planning and figuring out what should I say, because it says to me what should I actually say. So open with their problems, show your AI automation chops, address the lead gen piece specifically, acknowledge the SEO content side honestly, and close by referencing their open jobs. So yeah, and keep it under 2 minutes, because that's important. No one will watch the Loom video that has about 5 to 6 minutes, which already is right here. This video right here is over 6 minutes already, but I don't care. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop the video now and go through the whole pipeline. So I'm going to apply for all of these jobs quickly. I'm going to record the Looms, send the proposals on Upwork, and then I'm going to show you how the next steps on the pipeline look like, and pretty much everything will be automated with Claude. So I'm going to paste it to the Claude the transcript of what I said in the Loom video, and based on that transcript, for example, it's going to update that data, like applied, on which jobs I applied. It's going to update also this Loom Improver. Some data is going to show up here. So I want to get better in making videos, and I'm not the best doing that right now. And AI will see the transcript, will see what I'm talking about the most repeatedly, unnecessarily, and basically is going to say how the best piece of content, how the best video should look like. So that's what Claude is going to help with that as well. And with help of that dashboard, I'm going to see everything pretty clearly. So I'm gonna stop the video now and go forward with sending the Loom videos. All right, so it's about 1 hour later. I sent through 3 Loom videos, 3 proposals to 3 clients on Upwork. I spent 94 connects. Connects is something that you have to pay on Upwork to submit the job. Sometimes it's more connects, because if other people apply, they will apply with, let's say, 20 connects or 30 connects. So I have to apply with 35 connects to be on the top of the list. Basically, I'm paying to be on top of the list of the people that are applying. So I applied on 3 jobs right here. Here are the 16 connects, 27 connects, 51 connects. I can go to my Loom if I want to. I can go to the job post on Upwork actually if I want to. This is really cool as well. And the pipeline is basically in the right, looks like it's supposed to look like. It looks great. Now, what's really cool as well, and I'm going to spend 1 hour or 2 hours a week, I'm going to go to Loom Improver. This is really nice. So the 3 Looms I created, I gave a transcript from these videos to AI, and basically AI gave me a scorecard for every video. What I said right, and what I said wrong. Obviously, the most important is what I said wrong, the improvements, because it's important that we improve every video, I just want to, the better the videos I send to the clients are, the better the videos are, the more client is going to be interested, obviously. So for example, one of the improvements is video run 4 minutes. It's way too long for a $35 job. The entire outbound pipeline should be cut. So it tells me exactly what should be cut from the video as well. For example, as well, instead of talking about my experience, I can say about something much more valuable. So are the things that 1 time a week I'm going to sit down, I'm going to read all of this and basically make notes and improve what I should do better. One thing I realized, it's super cool. It's really, really cool. Really good for improvement. one thing what I realized is incorrect. I just asked AI to build me something that is going to, when I add the Loom video, like the scorecard, it should show me when this Loom video, when the video was created. It shows that it was created 1 hour ago, but when I open that Loom, it shows only 21 minutes ago. So it should exactly show 21 minutes. And this is where AI is going to be the most helpful now, because all I can do now is, it shows 1 hour ago. All I can do now is bring my Claude, basically AI, say to AI that, for example, this, copying that text, it shows 1 hour ago, but Loom video was made 20 minutes ago. So something is wrong. Now it's going to probably look at the Loom API. It's going to figure out why it shows that time exactly. It's going to try to repair it. And if it's impossible to repair it, because there are some problems that literally can't be repaired, then it's going to give me a better answer of what we can actually do now. There you go. But it says that it was fixed. So now it should show about 20 minutes ago. So let's refresh it. And it shows exactly 24 minutes ago. If we open that link again, it shows 25 minutes ago. So perfect, that works. Let's see the other ones, 51 minutes ago. And then the other ones about 1 hour ago. So that's kinda okay. So that's how Claude is going to be able to make changes. It's making changes on the go. It's really amazing. You still have to be careful what it's doing, because sometimes it might accidentally delete something important. So we have to be always cautious what it's creating, but it's definitely something that can change the world basically and build a lot of cool stuff, especially dashboards. So that's what I wanted to document, the process of what I'm doing. Thanks a lot.